He was like, how much longer you got? I said, we're gonna be installing this air shock on a Mercedes. All right, we heading back to Arlington to go install the second air shock. The rear ones are a lot taller, and that's the one we're gonna be installing on a Mercedes S430. This traffic goofy today. Motivate me. Got it. Rear passenger air shock. Chugga, 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 chugga. All right, let's watch it lift up, because that's always cool to see. There we go. That's Al Jarreau. Who that is? Chuck Manger. You're right. You got me on that one.
I love Al Jarreau.
Huh?
I love these Al Jarreau.
Oh yeah, Al Jarreau and George Benson.
Oh, George Benson.
George Benson. They the ones. All right, first step, definitely want to disconnect that battery. This is just to keep that air pump from going off when the strut is removed. So you gotta remove the tire, disconnect the sway bar bushing, you gotta disconnect the lower control arm, you gotta disconnect the brake caliper, and then there should be 3 bolts up top and a air sensor. I mean, not an air sensor, but an air hose. It's not a Lexus. But yeah. Let's get to it. All right. First thing first. Suspension stabilizer bar. I feel like a 16. Mercedes use a lot of 16s. I think they special or something. What'd I tell you? The sway bar link, the brake caliper. I pretty much kept it all together. Just push those pistons back. That way I don't have to make any extra work. Remove that right there. And then remove this. Should just swing down. All right. Then you're just going to pry. It looks like a little speaker, but be careful with that line. And it's going to be 3 13mm. Feel like it's a 13. Make sure you use your clean tools. Clean your tools before you work on any kind of interior stuff. All right, so yeah. What's the bestest view? The other one. Look. Not that. Yep, out of there. This should just come down. This one right here. Might be a little tough. So am I. I'm gonna disconnect that line. I loosened it. Seemed like the box, Look at that. You got this electrical connector underneath here. It's gonna be right by the differential. Yeah, right there. Look at that. Just in time.
Man, that's a big ass damn piece. Damn.
Yeah, they way longer than the other ones.
That's where it got busted at right there.
Yeah, this is what I saw as soon as I this right here might be new right there, but I did see that right there.
I'm changing one of the air shocks on my car right now.
Ooh.
Yeah, one of the air shocks went on my sedan. No, there ain't no pump. Shit. The air shocks, I don't know how I'm gonna eat this much. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how the hell I'm gonna eat this much. These, I need to give some rice and beans and something.
Some lentils. That's
Yeah,
what I say.
some lentils and rice.
You're a millionaire quick.
Oh yeah. I ain't afraid to do a water. Nothing go out.
See one right there. Take that off. Stay like that. Probably gonna go like this. Yeah, with that back pump facing. Let me see. Where's it the front? I want to say it's this way. Yeah, definitely this way. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Going in. Secured at the top. Putting that airline in. The other bolt. All right, it's quite a task, but we got it done. Yeah, this feels a lot better. Glad we got that squared away. On to the next one. This client's gonna be excited. He just pulled up also. All right. Got that battery hooked back up. Right, and that's the stance we wanted. Because we replaced that one in the rear passenger, it's not sinking to cause the unevenness in the front. It's looking thick. Look at that. Thick. We got it done. Got it fixed right the first time. You know? It's probably just because it's the original one. A lot of stuff was just extremely tight. It wasn't rusted, thankfully. Another thing, I saw that I got 100 subscribers, so that's definitely something worth celebrating. And I will do that. Probably get some tacos or something, you know.